What's going on, everybody? Coach Lovett here, Finding Wolves. We are in Akron. We're in Fairlawn, right next to Akron, almost where LeBron James' second house is, the one with the bowling alley. But we are here watching Copley and their new transfer, Audrey Parker. You might remember her from Brunswick, taking on Medina Highland and Kennedy Morgan. You remember Medina Highland from last year. We watched them a lot. You remember Audrey Parker. We watched Brunswick a lot. They're going to be going head-to-head tonight on this snowy day in Ohio, one of the biggest snowstorms because it was the first snowstorm. So Chad and I drove through these treacherous trenches to get here, and it's going to be fun. We left Danny at home so he could do what he does best. It's going to be a good matchup tonight. I seen Copley at the Pink Preview. They ran 7 or 8 girls deep, which is crazy, but it works for them. They play fast, they play up-tempo, they play a lot of defense, they can score. They just had a girl, I got to get my rosters right. They just had a girl recently signed to Walsh Jesuit here in Ohio, so that's a Division II. So they got a Division II guard on their team, which means that she's elite. She's going to college for free, means she's elite. And then we already know what Medina Highland can do. They bring pressure, they can score the ball. It's gonna be a good matchup tonight. I can't wait, hold on. My nose is feeling a little bit better. I almost got my wiggle back on my shoulder. Let's get to it.
Something good. Izzy Callaway. Danny Morgan. Good look inside. Callaway to lead for 2. At the end of the quarter.
Oh, for
halftime, 46-20 in favor of Copley. That's right, 26-point lead. Copley is the real deal. Izzy, number 3, the one I told you about earlier that's going to walk, she can hoop. She might be added to my list of favorite guards. She can split double teams. She moves the ball. She can score wide open. She can score out the pick and roll. She's tough. And she was out there chirping a little bit. I like that. I like when they chirp and they can back it up. She has 14 points in the first half. Audrey has 11 points. So those two combined for 25 already, a nice little combo, but their whole team moves the ball. When I tell you that somebody only has 8 people, you think that they wouldn't press and they would be, kind of lax on defense. They're the total opposite. They might have the best defense that we've seen. And I know we only been to a couple games so far, but their defense is relentless. If you turn around with the ball, they're right there taking it from you. If you dribble too slow up the court, they're back tipping it. And as soon as they turn you over, they're taking advantage of every single opportunity that they get. They scored on every turnover that they see so far. And then they rebound the ball so well. A lot of their points are coming from second chances. They're not scared to take shots, but they're also in there crashing. Medina, Highland, I know they're down a couple players because of injuries and stuff, but they're going to have to find a way to kind of battle. And they got kind of the same thing, this trend that's going on. They have new girls playing varsity. When you got new girls playing a veteran team, it's kind of hard because that speed of varsity takes a little bit to adjust. Like I said, if you're new to playing varsity, it's probably going to take you about 10 games to adjust. But you got to be tough up until then, which means you got to crash the glass. You got to do all the little things. You got to take open shots. You got to take smart shots. You got to move the ball. So it's going to be interesting to see what Copley does to keep their foot on the gas, and then it's going to be interesting to see if Medina Highland can make those adjustments to try to get this thing back. Let's get into this third quarter. Audrey mesh in here, but this team, the chemistry that they have, like already, you can see that they're still trying to figure some stuff out, but man, they are going to be fun to watch. And that midway point through the season, until the playoffs, like once they really get that cohesiveness, like right now they got a running clock. Now granted, Medina Highland has players that are hurt. You can see Kennedy Morgan out here is the only player for Medina Highland in double figures, but still, Copley is cold. Audrey has gotten better since her freshman year. And Izzy is the real deal. She might be a D1 guard that Walsh got one. They got one that lucked up at D2. She's a D1 guard. She's cold. She can do it all. Final score 75-30, favor of Copley. Like I said, we will be back to watch them this season. Izzy is the truth. Audrey is the truth. She blends in perfect here. They run the perfect system. The coach has them in great shape. Like I said, 8 girls to be out there pressing or 9 girls. I'm sorry, I can't count. There was 4 girls on the bench, 5, 9 girls. But 9 girls, 8 really in the rotation, but regardless, have 8 or 9 girls out there pressing like that and all fresh and in shape, that means they did some great conditioning leading up to this, because they are relentless, and this is going to bother a lot of teams. They're going to be fun to watch. I can't wait to already come back to some games this season. This is one of our must-see teams this season. That's it. Running clock tonight. That's the way it's been going. So who is finally going to give us a game where it's a game down to the wire? We haven't seen one yet. Maybe we'll see one tomorrow. From us here at Primeletics, Finding Wolves, Coach Lovett, Chad, Danny, we out. I'll see y'all.